In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use and set up Windows 11 Phone Link. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or just conveniently access your phone's features from your desktop, Phone Link makes it all incredibly simple. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your Windows taskbar and search for the Phone Link app. Simply type Phone Link into the search bar and select the app when it appears. This app is a key component for bridging your smartphone and Windows 11 device, allowing for seamless integration of your phone's functions directly onto your PC. When you open the app, you'll see a choice between connecting an Android device or an iPhone. Make sure you select the correct option based on the type of smartphone you possess. This step is crucial as it tailors the setup process specifically for your device type, ensuring compatibility and performance. During the setup, you might be prompted to enter a password or a PIN for verification. This extra step is all about security, ensuring that your devices are linking safely and your data remains protected. Don't skip this step and be sure to have your credentials handy. After verification, a QR code will appear on your computer screen. Keep this window open, and on your phone, you'll need to open the Link to Windows app. This app acts as the connector between your phone and PC. Once you have the app opened on your phone, use it to scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen. This QR code acts like a handshake, allowing both devices to recognize and connect to each other. Next, the app on your phone will request permission to access various types of data, including your contacts, messages, and photos. Essentially, anything that Windows might sync with. These permissions are necessary to fully utilize the Phone Link app's capabilities. For example, if you want to reply to texts or view photos on your PC, you'll want to allow these permissions. So, go ahead and grant the necessary permissions requested by the app. Your experience will be much smoother if you enable all the features you need right from the get-go. If any permission requests make you hesitate, remember, it's okay to adjust these settings later as per your comfort level. If you're prompted to sign in, make sure to use the same Microsoft account that's used on your PC. Consistency with your Microsoft account across devices is another vital aspect to ensure every service and function syncs properly. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, your Windows 11 computer and smartphone should now be connected through Phone Link. This setup will not only enhance your productivity by giving you greater accessibility, but also help keep all your communications within easy reach on your computer. Happy connecting!